so we're here at SAE and I'm about to put on my new flares. I ended up getting some handmade metal ones. They're about 3 inches out width, I'm not too sure. I believe it's 29 inches. So yeah. So we're gonna start marking everything up, measuring, and I'm gonna have Sammy over there. Why are you running? I'm gonna have him tack weld it on, but he's a professional here. I don't trust myself, so let's get to it. All right guys, so now Sammy ended up helping me and we have this marked up, and now that it's marked up, there's no going back. So now my job is to cut this off, and Sammy had a bright idea of drilling small little holes and he's gonna plug weld them, or fill weld. What is it called? Plug weld, right? Plug weld. Yeah, we're gonna plug weld this, so that should be fun. Alright guys, so I'm sorry I didn't record me welding. Sammy's doing other things, so I ended up MIG welding it. And he said the plugs are nice. First time. But here's the result. So again, it's a 29-inch flare with a, or 29-inch length with a 3-inch flare. And you can see it barely even covers the actual wheel, but better than my shitty ass flare, right, that I rolled myself. It's looking nice. And yes, I cut this out. I know I have a fuso, but for those of you that don't know, let me show you guys. So that's where I jumped my battery. What was that, Sammy?
Doesn't let it fuel only.
It's electric powered. It's a hybrid. But yeah, later on I get beauty shots, but we're good to go. Sammy, you're the professional. How's my welds?
Yeah, dude, they come pretty badass.
There you go.
Very nice.
He said it doesn't look like bird shit.
Except that one, but okay.
You know why people hate me welding?
Why?
Because since I have a Harbor Freight flux welder, everybody calls me scrape flux.
So that's where your order comes from.
But we good. Now just to clear coat them and we're set. And then this guy's gonna design my white body, supposedly. Okay, he said it. He said it. It's on camera. Woo! She is looking good.
Hey, we gotta do your fronts.
Later on. Oh yeah, this is his project. Pretty badass, huh?
Call it a Scorpio.
Sick.
Look at the intake.
Oh shit.
There's a Scorpion.
I did not see that. Alright. Peace, y'all.